What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with another video. In today's video, we'll be covering how to change screen timeout since the default is normally set to a very short 30 seconds. And if you're like me, the display doesn't stay on as long as I want to, which is why we need to extend it. As for this video, it's featured on the Android playlist, so you can find information related to this topic quickly and easily. And for reference, I'm using the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4 running Android 12, so your results may vary. As always, we only feature products or services I buy, use, or am interested in, and you can find the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4 related items and items shown in this video at the Amazon storefront link in the description below. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. So let's start by going into our settings, which is normally done by swiping down from the top of the display and then looking for the gear icon and tapping on it. So on the Z Fold 4, when we have that main display showing because the device is unfolded, you can see that we're going to get a left and right list of settings. So first we're going to focus on that left side. We're going to look for display and tap on it. Now we're going to move to the right side and scroll down here until we see screen timeout and tap on it. Now you can see that we have different time intervals. Normally, again, the default is 30 seconds. Now you can see I've changed mine to 10 minutes. Now that's going to work better for me. My display is going to stay on longer before it times out. But the thing to keep in mind is the longer your screen time out, the more battery you may consume. So you'll want to make sure that you experiment with this and find the timeout that works best for you. So please let us know what you think in the comments below, and let us also know what you set your screen timeout to. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please leave a like. If you're watching on YouTube and have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now there are 3 ways you can support the content. The first way is to click on the Amazon storefront link in the description below. There you'll find items that I have bought or would buy, and anything you buy from the storefront does support the content. The next way you can show your support is just by sharing this content with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And the last way you can show your support is just by clicking the subscribe button. Now liking and subscribing are important because those are ways to vote on whether you like the content. Liking and subscribing are also important for new viewers and listeners. If new viewers and listeners see likes and subscribers, they're going to think that the content is helpful, worth watching, and listening to. As always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out.